Alright, so let's have a look at just some confusing terminology in the standard model and sort through what each of these mean and how we can understand them. So quarks. What are quarks? Well, we know what quarks are. Quarks exist as up quarks, down quarks, top quarks, bottom quarks, charmed quarks, strange quarks. Bosons. So what's a boson? Bosons are particles that mediate forces. An example of this might be the photon or the gluon. Hadrons. What's a hadron? So a hadron is something that contains quarks. So for example, a proton is a hadron because a proton contains two up quarks and a down quark. And I'll show you a nice diagram in the end. What's a fermion? A fermion is something that composes of matter. An example of this would be a proton or a neutron. Or an electron. And we can also consider the concept of leptons. So leptons and quarks are quite similar. Leptons composed of things like electrons, muons, and tauons. Mesons and baryons. So let's consider these ones. So a meson is a type of force mediator. And it's in particular made of a quark and an anti-quark. So for example, we might have a strange and an anti-top quark. We have baryons, and baryons, and so you notice that for a meson there's two quarks. For a baryon, there are three quarks. So for example, you might have charm, strange. You might have strange, top. Finally, we have the concept of antimatter, and that is, for example, there's actually the standard model that you've seen actually can be doubled, because for every particle there's the antimatter versions. For example, for the electron, there's the positron. For the up quark, it's not the down quark, it's the anti-up quark. So the antimatter version of the up quark is not the down quark. There's a special anti-down quark. So this is not equal to a down quark. Now, a really great image that kind of summarizes this is this one. It's a nice Venn diagram. So we can see here, let's focus on the fermions. Fermions make up all of matter. So anything that you can physically touch right now is made of fermions, which are made of leptons, and leptons are the electrons, neutrinos, tauons, muons, and baryons, which are composed of quarks, right? So protons, neutrons. Another group we have is the hadrons. So the hadrons, again, are things made of quarks. So made of quarks. And so mesons, which are the quark-anti-quark pairs, and as well as baryons, which are the triplets, for example, charm, strange, up, down. These are both made of quarks and hence they're hadrons. Bosons are the force mediators. For example, we have our dedicated ones like photons, WZ, gluons, and Higgs bosons. So they don't have any quarks inside them, but there are also bosons, force mediators, that have quarks inside them. For example, our mesons. Hope you guys enjoyed. We offer physics, chemistry, and math tutoring. For more insightful explanations like this one, head to tutorgum.com.